Hi everyone, welcome to my another unboxing video. And today I got a package, so I'm going to open this now. I'm going to unbox this. So I need this cutter. This is my iPhone, my another new iPhone. Oh, wow. Here it is. Wow. This is iPhone 17 Pro Max in cosmic orange. So let's open this. And the other one here. Parang baguhan, no? Just kidding. So, ito na yun. Wow. Let's pull this out. Ta-da! So, let's turn this on. Alright, here we go. Hello! And then here in the box, I got this charger cable and this SIM ejector. And that's all. I hope you like this unboxing video. This is just a very short unboxing video. And I do have also another unboxing video. Just click this and this. And subscribe here. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.